everybody. So here I'm starting my next vlog. I am damn sure you're gonna like it. Today I'm totally in a mood of baking something. So yeah, let's try this banana walnut cake, which was not new to taste but something I'm making for the first time. So let's start. We need bananas, obviously walnut, eggs, milk, and the basics like flour, baking soda, baking powder, and butter. Baking is a therapy, and I know everyone is going to agree. Like chopping the things, mixing, that's so satisfying. It's time for 2 to 3 scoops of butter, powder sugar, because that's easily mixed up. So mix it well. Now it's time to add the eggs. Mix it well, then take the perfect amount of white flour. You can take 1.5 cup, then 1 spoon of baking powder and half spoon of baking soda. Blend them properly. Add these egg, butter and sugar mixture. Mix it properly, then we're adding the bananas we have chopped, then adding milk to make this batter smooth. Then adding the star of the show, the walnuts. So if you like the crunchiness of this walnut, you can add as it is, but if you want more chopped ones, you can chop it or leave it. It's your wish completely. So here the tray is ready. I have greased out this with butter and butter sheet. So it's time to see the magic. Now it's very tough to wait, but I will have to wait at least for 40 minutes to check out it's done or not. But in between, let's unbox the most awaited thing. It's aroma diffuser. You can use it as a humidifier if you don't use any essential oils or fragrance. But I like both. I want it to be used as humidifier and aroma diffuser. So I will use this lemongrass. I have bought this pack of essential oils which has 6 different fragrances. So for now it's lemongrass. Actually I don't know how many drops are needed. I will check out on YouTube for more information, but look at this beauty. It has started spreading the fragrance in the whole room. You can see it's completely baked from inside and outside. So I think it's ready to eat, and to beautify it, I have spread a few pinch of added powdered sugar, it at least for 10 minutes to cool it down, but I cut it in the hot cake only, and look, the softness just broke down, so I left it for 10 minutes. I have baked this cake specially to celebrate myself for taking this tough decision, and I will share in the last of this video. I chose a path where I will be a full-time artist, because you can't let harm yourself for the sake of earning money, which is very important, I know that. But if you can't manage the things, like just doing the job also and creating things also, so you don't need to criticize yourself for not managing the things. Everyone is not same, and I'm not able to manage my job and my artist career, so here is a small celebration to become the full-time artist for now. Again, I know that this situation is not same with every artist, because everyone is not financially same. But then also, the most important thing is for every artist to prior the things and to make yourself prepare for this decision, which is most important, because you have to make compromises in many things, but you have to be patient and work constantly. Recently, I have bought this rack which has moving tires, and that was the reason I bought this, because sometimes it happens you want to work in different location at your home, so you can't, it's not easy to move all the things from here to there. So most of the artists uses this because it's very compatible. Wherever you move, you go with this colors and everything. So I will arrange this according to my uses. For this, I was thinking, but oh, yes. Keep this lower one empty, because use whatever shade I want or I'm working at that time. So I will use this for the extra things, and you know what, I think after 1 month or 1 week this rack is going to be overloaded with the things, because when you work you are just lost in everything, so you don't think you need space or something, so अभी खाली रखना पड़ता है. I'm in a state of mind where I'm still not stable. I'm trying myself to first calm down my inner self, because I have realized that that's the main reason you can't paint, you can't think, you can't compose the things, you can't see the shapes. And the part and the first step is just go to your studio and just sketch anything like whatever comes in your mind, because this first step need to be taken. It took me many days to come back to this place after leaving the job. I think I was completely on bed, like lethargic all the time, eating foods and watching stuff. So this step took me a few days, but I finally took it. So wish me luck, and don't forget to subscribe, share. Thank you.